Hello everyone, let me walk you through the demo of PayFast Payment Acquire in Odoo by BrowseInfo. This integration enables businesses to process secure and fast transactions using PayFast, a trusted payment gateway. Customer can make payment using various methods including credit card, instant EFT and mobile wallets, ensuring a smooth checkout experience. With automated payment validation and real-time transaction tracking, this module enhances efficiency and security. So, first of all, we will hop onto the website. Under configuration, we will find a menu payment providers. Click on that menu and here you will find a payment method as PayFast. Here in the PayFast, enable this state and add merchant ID and merchant secret key. After adding, save that, and now we will hop on to our home page. In home page, click on shop. Here select a product and add to cart. After adding product to your cart, here you can click on checkout. After that, confirming your delivery address, click on confirm. Here choose a payment method as PayFast and click on pay now. After that, you will see that you has been redirected to complete your payment. Here you can see the transaction number and also you can complete your payment by clicking on complete payment. Here we can see that our payment is loading. After that, we can see that our payment is successful. Now you will be redirected to the page where you can see you will get a message. Thank you for your order and your payment is successful. And also you can see the order number here. Now we will hop on to our accounting module. Under configuration, we will find a menu for payment transactions. Here you can see the payment transaction we just did of sale order number 4. Here you can see the amount, payment method and payment provider. Also you can see the payment transaction is in confirmed state. Also here you can see a sale order button. When you click on that, a sale order for that transaction will pop up. Here you can see the sale order number, the products, and in the log history you can see that how this payment is done and through which payment provider the payment is done. Now again we will go into our website module. We'll go to our shop. Now again we will add our product to the cart. Click on view cart and here click on checkout. After that, confirm your delivery address by clicking on confirm, and also for our payment method, choose PayFast and click on pay now. Here we can see that we have been redirected to complete our payment, but instead this time I'm going to select cancel transaction. After clicking on cancel transaction, you can see a message will pop up saying you sure you want to cancel this payment, and if you are sure, click on cancel payment. Here we can see that our payment is cancelled, and also we got a message in red color saying your payment has been cancelled and also the order number of the cancelled payment. Now again we will go to our accounting module. Under configuration, we will go to the payment transactions, and here we can see our sale order number 5 for the cancelled payment. Here you can see the amount, payment method, provider, and also the payment transaction is in cancelled state. Click on sale order button, and here you can see the sale order is in also cancel state. Here you can see the sale order number, the product, and all the log history of your sale order. If you have any queries about this video, you can ask them in the comment box and we will solve your queries. If you feel this video is useful to you, please like and subscribe to our YouTube channel for more Odoo related videos. Thanks for watching.